Hello, today I'm going to be demonstrating the adjustment on the rear shock on the Lifan KPR 200. I had a viewer write and ask me if I could demonstrate how to adjust the rear shock and the different positions of the rear shock. So I thought, well, there'll probably be other people out there who might want to know. So if you're following along with my videos, you know that I no longer have the factory stock shock in my bike. I had changed that out. But that might make it better for the purposes of this video, because that way I can have it out, I have it in my vise to where you could get a better look at it and see exactly how to adjust it. So I'm going to show the procedure, what you need to do, set your bike up before you make the adjustment, and I'm going to show the actual adjustment. Okay, first thing you need to do to set your bike up is you need to get this rear wheel up off the ground. It needs to be supported in the middle in the main frame, either with a center stand or with a jack, because you want to take the pressure off of that swing arm, because your shock in there is bolted to the swing arm. So you want your wheel and your swing arm to be relaxed so you can make the adjustment. The adjustment will be down in this area right here. That's where my new shock is, right back there, but it'll be right in that area for you to adjust. So what I would suggest is to take this rear seat off, take the front seat off, the side panel and the side panel on the other side, to make it a little bit easier to access the adjustment. Okay, this is a diagram that I drew of the shock. This is the top of the shock, this is the bottom of the shock, this is the springs, and this is the chrome piece at the bottom that has the holes in it that you need to use to make the adjustment. This is what it looks like underneath of that chrome piece. Is it'll have a peg, and it'll have an adjustment hole, and another adjustment hole, and then another one. It has 3 positions: firm, medium, and soft. Okay, this is the actual shock. This is the chrome piece I was just talking about, and the adjustment area is underneath of here. These are the holes that you have to use to make the adjustment. This is the tool that you need to use to make the adjustment, or one similar to it. This is an adjustable spanner wrench. And as you can see, it has some grind marks on the front of it, on both sides, because this was a little bit too thick to fit inside of this hole. So I had to grind it just a little bit so it would fit nicely inside of that hole. Okay, so all you need to do to make this adjustment is you need to get into your bike, put the spanner wrench around till it grabs into the hole, and turn it towards you. You'll be on the left side of your bike. Okay, that's the first adjustment. And then you adjust it again. That's the second adjustment. Now you heard the sounds of those adjustments. Now listen to this one. This one will be the softest setting, and it'll make this sound every time if you're looking for the softest setting. You hear that pop? It dropped all the way down and released the pressure on this spring. And if you missed it and you want to go around again, you don't have to go backwards and change directions. You just keep going around. Okay, there's one. There's 2. And then this is going to be the final softest setting. Every time that you hit that softest setting, it's going to snap like that, because it's taking the pressure off and dropping down. Okay? Well, I hope that helps. Good luck with it. Thanks for watching.